Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this quick and easy baked lamb recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So I'm starting off with some lamb. I've already cleaned it, just washed it a little bit, and this is what it's looking like. So my recipe is gonna have 4 lamb chops, and then to that I'm going to be seasoning it with some salt. So we're just going to rub the salt into our lamb just to make sure that it is well seasoned before we start with the flavoring. Okay, so once we're done seasoning the lamb on both sides, we're gonna then start flavoring it. So lamb pairs really well with rosemary. You can use fresh or dried rosemary. I'm using dried rosemary, and then I'm just going to be rubbing that into our lamb as well, just to make sure that it evenly distributes on the lamb chop itself. And another seasoning that lamb goes really well with is mint. You can use fresh mint or you can use dried mint like I am. So I am using the dried mint spice, and I'm just going to be adding that onto our lamb as well, and then I'm going to be rubbing it in. So the good thing about lamb is it's got its own flavors. You don't have to do much to bring out flavor in it. So you're gonna use the least amount of seasoning. Like now we seasoned it with salt, and then we flavored it with rosemary and mint spice, and that is honestly it when it comes to seasoning our lamb. It doesn't really need much. It's got its own flavors. Okay, so the next step will then be to add a marinade or a basting sauce. So basically the way I've seasoned this lamb, you can also go ahead and season it this way if you are going to be braising. It works perfectly fine. So the basting sauce I'm using is from the Spar brand, and it's called basting sauce for meat. So they also have one for chicken, so just make sure that you get the right one. This one has the red lid on it, and I find that this is the best sauce for my lamb when I make it. You can look for other alternatives, but if you want to crack this recipe the way that I did, I would strongly recommend that you go and buy the sauce. And this is what it's looking like. You can marinate this overnight, you can cook it immediately. It's all up to you. We're going to be baking this in our oven at 190 degrees for 20 to 40 minutes, depending on how you like your lamb done. The good thing about lamb is you don't have to cook it all the way through. You really don't have to be making it biltong, so you can cook it for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, but nothing more than 40 minutes. That is all for this video. I hope you guys try this recipe and you really enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.